Yellow color. Black color. Blue color. Capital letter A. A for apple. B for banana. C for cake. D for donut. E for eagle. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hat. I for ink. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for coin. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Let's paint. Green color. A for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D dolphin. Orange color. Eagle. F for flower. G grapes. H hen. Ice cream. J jelly. K kangaroo. L lion. Purple color. Emma monkey. Anna nest. Orange. Peppa princess. Q queen. R rabbit. a sign. Like pink color, Tita tiger. You are umbrella. Viva violin. W watch. X xylophone. Y yo-yo. And Z zebra. Let's repeat, learn with me. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I hope you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.